Welcome back to Auto Street. Today we are diving into one of the most exciting cars available on the market right now, giving you a complete tour of its features, performance, and pricing. From the very first glance, this car immediately grabs your attention. The exterior is sleek and modern, designed to turn heads on the road. Every line and curve seems intentional, giving it a perfect balance of elegance and aggression. The front grille is bold and commanding, featuring the latest design language that automakers are now embracing, and the headlights are sharp, equipped with LED technology that not only enhances visibility but adds a futuristic look. Moving along the side profile, you can notice the aerodynamic shape, the sculpted doors, and the perfectly proportioned wheels that give it a strong road presence. The alloy wheels come in multiple finishes depending on the variant, and the tires offer a blend of grip and comfort that makes city and highway driving equally enjoyable. The rear design is equally impressive, with taillights that seamlessly integrate into the bodywork, a subtle spoiler adding a sporty touch, and exhaust tips that suggest performance without being overly aggressive. Overall, the car feels premium, and even before you start the engine, it gives a sense of confidence and style that makes you proud to be behind the wheel. Inside, the cabin continues this blend of style and functionality. The seats are ergonomically designed, wrapped in high-quality material that offers both comfort and support for long drives. The dashboard is clean and intuitive, with a fully digital instrument cluster that gives you access to speed, navigation, and performance metrics at a glance. The infotainment system is responsive, featuring a large touchscreen that supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, along with wireless connectivity options. The steering wheel is multifunctional, allowing easy control of music, calls, and cruise control, and the driving position is adjustable so that every driver can find the perfect stance. Storage spaces are practical, with ample cup holders, door pockets, and a spacious glove box, making the car suitable for both daily commutes and weekend trips. Cabin noise is well managed, thanks to effective insulation, so you get a serene environment even at highway speeds. Performance is where this car truly shines. Under the hood, it features a powerful engine that delivers instant acceleration while maintaining impressive efficiency. The engine responds smoothly to throttle inputs, whether you are maneuvering through city traffic or pushing it on open roads. The suspension system strikes a perfect balance, absorbing bumps and rough surfaces while maintaining stability during high-speed corners. Steering is precise, giving the driver excellent feedback and control. Braking performance is strong and predictable, thanks to well-engineered brakes that inspire confidence in all driving conditions. The car also offers multiple drive modes, allowing you to switch from a comfortable eco-friendly ride to a more dynamic sporty experience, adjusting the throttle response, suspension stiffness, and steering feel accordingly. Fuel efficiency is competitive for its class, and maintenance is straightforward, making it a practical choice for everyday use without sacrificing excitement. Technology and safety are also top-notch. The car comes equipped with advanced driver assistance features such as lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. Parking is simplified with sensors and a rear-view camera that provides clear visuals, while higher trims may even offer a 360-degree camera system. Connectivity features include smartphone integration, voice commands, and over-the-air software updates, ensuring that the car stays current with the latest features. The airbag system, stability control, and reinforced body structure add an extra layer of protection, giving both driver and passengers peace of mind. When it comes to pricing, this car is competitively positioned in its segment. It offers excellent value for money, considering the combination of style, performance, technology, and safety features. Entry-level variants provide all the essentials for a comfortable and stylish ride, while higher trims add luxury touches, advanced tech, and enhanced performance capabilities. Financing options are also flexible, making it easier for potential buyers to own this car without stretching their budgets. When you compare it with competitors in the same segment, the car stands out for its combination of premium design, dynamic performance, and advanced features, making it a compelling option for anyone looking for a balance between everyday usability and thrilling driving experience. Driving this car is an experience that's hard to forget. The engine's roar is satisfying but never overwhelming, the handling is sharp and responsive, and the overall package feels cohesive and well-engineered. Whether you are commuting to work, running errands around the city, or taking it out on a weekend road trip, this car delivers confidence, comfort, and excitement in equal measure. It's the kind of vehicle that makes you enjoy driving itself, not just reaching the destination. Every detail, from the way the doors close to the smoothness of the infotainment system, reinforces the sense that this is a car built with care and precision. On the exterior, the color options range from subtle and classy shades to bold and sporty finishes, letting every buyer find a version that reflects their personality. The lighting elements, wheel designs, and trim details further enhance the car's appeal, making it look modern and dynamic even when parked. Daytime running lights and stylish LED signatures make the car instantly recognizable, while aerodynamic enhancements not only improve fuel efficiency but also contribute to a refined and aggressive stance. In conclusion, this car represents a perfect combination of style, performance, technology, and value. For anyone looking to invest in a vehicle that offers a premium experience without compromising practicality, this is an excellent choice. Auto Street brings you a comprehensive look at cars like this so you can make informed decisions before purchasing. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future reviews, performance tests, or detailed walkthroughs. This is Auto Street, bringing you closer to the cars you love, exploring every curve, every feature, and every drive to give you the complete picture. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting automotive content that will keep you updated with the latest trends, reviews, and performance insights from around the world.